Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show, Sunday, July 5th, 2015. This is part 2 in my Highbridge Aqueduct Bridge series, and this will be the actual sights and sounds that you experience once you get on top. We're going to go on top now of this beautiful, majestic bridge, which was just reopened this month, and we are going to get to see sights that people haven't seen for 45 years. So if you're ready, I guess we'll get to it then. What's up, guys? Okay, guys, that's it for part two, the sights and sounds of Highbridge, Aqueduct Bridge. I hope you really enjoyed this video because I had a hell of a good time making it. If you have any other specific New York City landmarks you want me to try and photograph, do a video on, and explore, comment in the comment section below, and I'll try and get them done. Again, it is great that the city has finally reopened the Highbridge after 45 years. What took them so long? Today was my first time in my life I was ever on this wonderful bridge, but I guarantee you it'll not be my last. I'm Crazy New York Driver. You're not. Thanks for watching, and see ya.